Note: no showings before Monday, July 25, 2022. Limited showing times. See Private Remarks Renovated 1950s style ranch, low maintenance 4 sides brick with vinyl eaves, cornice and shutters. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Many upgrades and improvements completed approximately 3 to 4 years ago, roof and gutters included. Entire interior painted, refurbished beautiful oak hardwood floors, except one bedroom has new carpet. This bedroom also has built-in bookcases with glass doors. Ceiling fans throughout. The open eat-in kitchen has all new cabinets, soft close drawers, pull-out shelves in pantry, solid surface countertops, smooth top surface unit. The breakfast bar overlooks the den. Stainless steel refrigerator, oven, microwave, dishwasher are all included along with apartment-sized washer and dryer. Over the stainless steel farm sink is a beautiful greenhouse window. Formal living room/dining room combination with masonry fireplace and gas logs. All new lighting and ceiling fans throughout. Believe it or not, there's even more, like the hall bath has a walk-in tub and both bathrooms have new vanity sinks and toilets. Oh, if you need extra space, there is a stairway leading to the expandable attic. There is also an earthen basement with some concrete. Exterior: beautiful covered deck with vaulted ceiling with ceiling fan. Vinyl rails and Trex flooring. Enter the house from deck through side room with Jalousie windows on 3 sides to enjoy the seasons. Just too much to mention. In addition to all of this, there's a carport and covered, paved, RV parking. Also in the back of the house there is a 2-car detached garage and a small office building or she shed, 192 square feet. Security system remains with the home, and for added security there is an automatic security gate at driveway entrance. Note: this property is on 2 connecting parcels sold jointly. Total acreage for both lots is .75+ fenced on corner of Columbia Dining Room and Hamilton Road. Property is being sold as is commercial potential. Convenient to Marta, banking, grocery shopping, etc. Agents must have 3 hours notice before showing by appointment only. Home is occupied. Call Faye or Penny to schedule and showing instructions. See Private Remarks